on the bus. Then who was flickering the light?
What's up, YouTube? Fucked it up. What's up, YouTube? No, I fucked it up too. Wonder if anybody's listening. I don't care. What's up, YouTube? Little voice crack, you know. I'm a little new to intro, so bear with me here. I also had a couple energy drinks, so I'm so excited. Oh, hello, little boy. Dude, don't look at that. Don't look at it. Okay, it's green. GP style shit, baby. That's all we do here. Please, no, please, no, please. Thank you. GP style shit. That's all we do here, baby. Turn off. Oh yeah. It's an electric bike. You don't even know about it. You don't know about it. Okay. Oh, sexy juice. Tutti, girl. Okay, Tutti. Takarisi. No juice. No juice on you. No juice. No juice. No spray. So YouTube, let's get it. Top of shit, but you know. Go in. He don't want no smoke. Oh, there's a little tunnel coming up. You can see my shadow. All right, Tutti girl. This for you, girly girl. Oh. Tunnel action. Nice, very nice, very nice. The marching and the bicycles. Nice. All right, boys, we here. You know, Mayako. Please, senor. Things sound good though. My caballito. I could do wheelies. Okay, position. There we go. There we go. Clutch it up. I always fall to this side, bro. I do not know why. Risky with it, you know. Oh shit. So excited. God, Tutti, take it easy. What I tell you? I wasn't even ready. Okay, now I'm ready. Firefly or some shit. Damn, that book was strong as hell. Some shit. Oh, I should probably head back now though. There's a couple wheelers on the way back, you feel me? Just take it easy and take it back, okay? Okay. Beautiful. Alright, my YouTuber people, we're going back home. I'm just talking to myself. Yeah, I take it if you don't give it to me. obstruction on the road. Oh, say it. If you give me a chance to do a wheelie, I'm gonna take it. Oh, a little bit. Oh, that was funny. Where are you going? Come get me here. I'll do a wheelie for you. Oh, that's a nice girl. I just want to spank it. Save it. Okay, there's a popo. Okay, I can't even put it in neutral. Okay. Oh, through the tunnel. Did I spook you, big boy? You like that, huh, Sheriff? You know, I'm definitely 100% new to all this YouTubing shit. Gotta check. Am I still recording? No. Fucking crash, dude. What the? Poor lady. I think she slumped. She slumped as fuck. This lady looking at me fucking chewing her gum, nasty ass bitch. I'm gonna kill you. I'll walk away from you. Whee! Bitch! Go! Hate you! Alright, y'all. Well, this kind of beats it for today. I don't know how to do fucking outros, so I don't know how to do outros. That was fucked up. What's up, buddy? What's up, buddy? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. What's up, buddy? That's some funny shit.